Hello, I'm Sam from Style of Sam and welcome to my channel. Okay, in case you're new here, I do have a blog. It's Style of Sam, and I have done what's in my bag posts, like I think starting 2 years ago. So my YouTube videos are gonna be to go with my what's in my bag blog post. So I meant to do this like last year and the year got away from me, and so now I'm doing it this year. So today we are talking about the Hermes Birkin, and I have the size 30, and this is Etain and a Togo leather. I got this for my 40th birthday because my husband got it for me. He thought you could just walk into the boutique and get it, but that's not the case. But anyways, we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the bag today. So anyways, here we are, all about the Birkin. So first thing is first, this is how it is when it's all closed up. The flap is over, the straps are done together, and you can actually lock it. I didn't attach the lock and crochet. I don't really wear that very often, and I think some people do, but I didn't feel like it was necessary. So you just, after you unbuckle it, you release it from these straps, and then you can take off the flap. Most of the time, the way I wear it is this way, where I've opened the flap and I put it inside. And so I carry it with the straps open and just use it like this, and I can throw things in here. So I wanted to show you what fits in the bag. So right now, as I have it open, you can see this is, I have a bag organizer in it, and I believe I purchased it from Amazon. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and show you the actual bag and then what fits in. So first of all, the bag, this is a bag. Inside is the rain jacket, and I keep it with it all the time, just in case. You never know. It's really flat, so I just put it on the bottom. It has a front little flap here, and then it has a zipper pocket in the back. And so I actually have the lock and the crochet in the Hermes bag that I also store in this when I empty the bag. Now, as far as what fits into this organizer, it has lots of pockets on the inside and on the outside, and it actually came with this divider, but I took it out so I would have more room in the middle. Now that I'm using my smaller wallet, I probably could put it back in and it would organize things much better, but at the moment, I just keep this in my Kelly bag. So right now, what fits in this is my small wallet, my makeup bag, card holder, my hand sanitizer, my phone, which I'm using right now, a big pair of sunglasses. So these are like pretty ginormous. And then also my mask. And so, oops, I'm like getting all tangled up here. My mask. So, like I said, it has a lot of room and it keeps the bag pretty protected. I do use it a lot whenever I use the bag. And also I feel like the way the compartments are, I can store things easily that I need. So I do like this organizer. Again, I think I purchased it from Amazon, so I'll find the link and give it to y'all down below. So this Togo leather is textured. You can see textured, and it's supposed to make it more durable. It does make it a little bit more of a heavier weight leather. I do feel like it's pretty lightweight, but actually with all my stuff, it can be a little bit heavy. So this is easy to carry on the crook of my arm, basically, or I just carry a top handle. I know some people like to decorate these with twillies or scarves so they can protect the handle. Honestly, I just like how beautiful it is by itself, so I don't really do anything with it. This is the one bag that I do baby. I am pretty hard on all of my bags. Like, I don't baby them at all, but I feel like this is really special, and this is not easy to get. And so for me, I do try to take very good care of it. They do have metal feet, so that's one great thing. Unless it starts sagging in the middle, you are protected on the bottom. As far as the construction goes, Hermes hand makes everything, or their artisans hand make these bags, and I believe it takes up to 30 hours to make a bag. If I'm incorrect, I'll put it down below the correct hours, but it does take a long time, which is why these are so expensive. They're handmade. This is one of the only brands that is still owned by the family. This can be worn with so many different things because it is gray. It's a wonderful neutral, so you can wear it with black, brown, white, gray, obviously, or color. So I mean, it goes well with my outfit right now. I have some photos of outfits I've worn it with in the past, and like I said, it's a great neutral, but you know, I would not be sad to have a pop of color from Hermes either. So just know that if you get something from Hermes, it's like a work of art. So it's going to be wonderful. This was a really quick video, but I just kind of wanted to show you like what the bag was about, the sizing. Like this is a 30, and the 30 refers to the width of the bag. I have a Kelly that is a 32, so it's actually wider than this bag. Actually, I'll go grab it really quickly. But you know, this is a wonderful, wonderful size to carry a lot of things. I probably could have gone with a 25, although those are more desirable, so a little bit harder to find. Like the mini bags are definitely trending right now, but this again was like 4 or 5 years ago when I got this bag. So I feel like this is to me, this is a larger bag. So I feel like a lot of things can fit in this. I could put kids stuff in here. Obviously, I don't have any kids stuff in here right now, but when I have the kids with me, like I can put their stuff, their snacks that are protected like in a Ziploc baggie in this bag, and there's still plenty of room. Be right back. I'm gonna go grab my Kelly. Okay, so I'm back. Here's my Kelly. This is my vintage Kelly that I bought pre-owned from, I believe, Luxury Garage Sale. It was like, I don't know, early 2000s, so a long time ago. And it was like only $3,000 at the time. But this is, I believe, a 32. So I was gonna show you when you line them up. It's slightly bigger. That's a lot of work to show you, not much, but basically they're almost the same size, but it's wider. I think because this is so much slouchier and doesn't have as much form, it just looks almost the same size, but this is actually a 32 Kelly, which is a bigger size. Okay. Anyhow, this was a really short video, but I hope this was helpful for you. You can check out my blog post at Style of Sam for a lot more details. I give you dimensions, the retail costs, things like that. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions, and also let me know if you want any handbags covered. And if I have the handbag, I will talk about it for you. And of course, feel free to ask questions, like what do you want to know? I'll try to share with you. Okay. Thanks for watching, and again, find me on styleofsam.com and on Instagram at styleofsam. See you later. Bye.